Introducing the TYPHON Terror One Storm Mini Excavator, the ultimate solution for all your excavation needs. This 1-ton trench digger is powered by a high-performance 13.5 HP Briggs Stratton engine. Engineered for small construction projects, it ensures easy maneuverability in tight spaces. Perfect for farms, gardens, public spaces, parks, orchards, and more. Versatile applications include drilling, digging, bulldozing, and ditch cleaning. Equipped with a hydraulic thumb clip and oil cooler for enhanced durability. User-friendly design, even for first-time operators. Features a 380mm bucket and 405mm ground clearance for easy operation. Comes with essential accessories for your convenience. Compact, tough, and efficient, your ideal companion for successful projects. Trust TYPHON Machinery for reliability, toughness, and performance. Elevate your construction projects with the TYPHON Terror One Storm Mini Excavator. The TYPHON Terror One Storm, engineered for excellence, your ultimate excavation partner.